Hello everyone! Today I'm taking a break from my studies and making something sweet and comforting, tiramisu. It's a famous no-bake dessert of Macedonia, and the weather outside, with snow-capped views, makes it even more perfect. So let's get started! I don't have ground coffee, so first I grind 1/2 cup of coffee beans. Once done, I transfer the ground coffee into a jar and boil it with water for about 5 minutes. While the coffee is brewing, let's prepare the whipped cream. For this, I take 200 grams of whipping cream and whisk it continuously. Yes, it's a bit of an arm workout, but trust me, the results are worth it. After about 30 minutes of whisking, the cream turns light, fluffy and creamy, just perfect for tiramisu. Now that the coffee is ready and the cream is whipped, we're all set to assemble. Take finger biscuits, ladyfingers, and dip each one quickly into the coffee. Arrange the dipped biscuits in a layer on your serving dish. Spread a generous layer of whipped cream on top. Repeat the process. Another layer of coffee-dipped biscuits, followed by cream. You can design the layers however you like. Once done, place the tiramisu in the freezer for 15 to 20 minutes. After that, it's ready to enjoy. Serve it with a cup of coffee, sit back, and savor this delicious dessert while admiring the snowy weather outside. I hope you enjoyed this simple recipe. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. See you in the next video.